tender.easymove drum stacker, 350 kg carrying capacity. With the help of this stacker, we can lift the drum, we can stack the drum, we can load and unload from the truck. We have provided 3 kind of locking arrangement for the drum. First is a locking arrangement on the top side, where we can lock the same on from the top. After that, we have provided a second lock at the middle. Third lock is in the bottom. For the same, we have to lift. After that, we can lock. Bottom lock karo. Yes. We can lift and we can stop at any height. After that, we can rotate at any height. We can rotate completely. We are testing on a full loaded drum. We can rotate up to 180 to 360 degree. Straight कर दो, अब सीधा कर दो. With the help of this drum stacker, we can stack one-on-one drum. We can load and unload. We can charge the vessel. We can charge the tank. There is a heavy-duty Indian gearbox. There is a lever for the down. And you can adjust at any speed. You can down at any speed. For the lifting, we have provided a 2 system. Lifting karo do. Lifting. You can lift the drum with the foot pedal and hand operated both. Foot se karo. Stacker can go up to 1.4 meter, 1.5 meter. There are wheel locking arrangements. With the help of that, we can lock the wheel. Now we cannot move. For the moment, we have to unlock. Unlock karo. Second unlock karo. We have provided a lock on both wheels. Now you can move.
अरे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो? उसे बिल्डिंग मारेगा बिल्डिंग। रुक भाई मारूंगा।